Welcome to Delta Dental Bill Pay, presented by Maryland Health Connection. To complete your enrollment, you will need to submit payment for the first month of your premium to Delta Dental. You can expect an invoice in the mail within 10 business days after acceptance of your application. Let's review your Delta Dental bill. First, your information will be listed above the bill summary. To the right, you will find an account information summary that will include the invoice date, billing period, payment due date, invoice number, account number, and enrollee ID. Continuing down the bill, the billing summary will review the total amount due and due date. A reminder below will note that any payments received after a certain date will not be reflected in your current bill. To the right, you will see a helpful overview of the ways to pay your bill and how to reach out to the Delta Dental customer care. On the bottom of the first page, a payment slip is provided to be included with mailed-in payments. The second page of your bill will include the billing summary detail, which further breaks down how the premium and total amount due were calculated. You can pay your Delta Dental bill by mail or online. To pay by mail, please mail your payment to the following address: Delta Dental, P.O. Box 6, 60138, Dallas, Texas 75266-0138. Please include your Maryland Exchange assigned ID. To pay online, via Delta Dental's online portal, go to www.deltadentalinns.com and register for online service. If you have any questions, please call Member Services for PPOs at 888-28-28528 or for Alpha DC USA 888-857-0337 for assistance from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now you are ready to pay your premium with Delta Dental. Thank you for watching.